Will Cry When You Die by Robin Sharma, Lesson 2. Every day, be kind to a stranger. On his deathbed, Aldous Huxley reflected on his entire life's learning and then summed it up in 7 simple words. Let us be kinder to one another. All too often, we believe that in order to live a truly fulfilling life, we must achieve some great act or grand feat that will put us on the front covers of magazines and newspapers. Nothing could be further from the truth. A meaningful life is made up of a series of daily acts of decency and kindness, which ironically add up to something truly great over the course of lifetime. Everyone who enters your life has a lesson to teach and a story to tell. Every person you pass during the moments that make up your days represents an opportunity to show a little more of the compassion and courtesy that define your humanity. Why not start being more of the person you truly are during your days and doing what you can to enrich the world around you? In my mind, if you make even one person smile during your day or brighten the mood of even one stranger, your day has been a worthwhile one. Kindness, quite simply, is the rent we must pay for the space we occupy on this planet. Become more creative in the ways you show compassion to strangers, paying the toll for the person in the car behind you, offering your seat on the subway to someone in need, and being the first to say hello are a great place to start. Recently, I received a letter from a reader of the monk who sold his Ferrari, who lived in Washington state. In it, she wrote, I have a practice of tithing to people who have helped me along my spiritual path. Please accept the enclosed check of $100 with my blessing and gratitude. I quickly responded to her generous act by sending one of my audio tape programs in return, so she received value for the gift she sent me. Her gesture was a great lesson in the importance of giving sincerely and from the heart. Thank you for listening.